Hey, it's Ryan at Strathmore Dodge. Here we have our 2022 Chrysler Pacifica Limited in white. This one you do have all the black badging and black wheels, power tailgate, power side doors, backup camera, keyless entry, remote start. On this one you do have the second row TV screens as well as second row heated seats, which is really cool. This one also is stow and go. You've got the full panoramic sunroof. In the front, you've got heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel. You've got the 10.1-inch display with navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You've got all the hookups as well as a Blu-ray DVD player for those screens in the back. Of course, under the hood, you do have the 3.6-liter Pentastar V6. Come on down to Strathmore Dodge, come check it out, or feel free to send any inquiries to Ryan at strathmoredodge.com.